This video will demonstrate how to join two windows together using our pre-installed coupler. There are no specialist tools required when using Origin's window coupler system. The only tools necessary are a battery operated screwdriver, 40mm by 7.5mm screws or similar fixings, silicone and application gun, grips or clamps, a 6.5mm high-speed steel drill bit and countersink. The coupler runs the entire length of the window and allows two or more windows to simply and securely clamp together. We recommend removing all beading prior to coupling windows together. Unclip the beading from the inside of the frame and pull outward. After the beading has been removed, apply the silicone along the hooked leg of the aluminium coupler closest to the outside face of the window. Make sure the silicone covers the entire length of the coupler. This ensures a completely weather-sealed bond when coupled together. Bring the windows together and make sure the two outer faces come together first. Once hooked together, straighten the windows until the inner faces make contact. Starting at the top, using grips or clamps, carefully squeeze the frames until both inner and outer faces come fully together along the entire length of the window. You should also hear a confirming click, signifying engagement of both inner and outer side. Using white spirit, carefully clean off any excess silicone. Before drilling, check the windows are perfectly aligned by sliding either window up or down. Now mark the fixing points, roughly 100mm from the top of the window and 100mm from the bottom. You should also mark additional fixing points every 300 to 400mm down the frame. You can now drill the window. We recommend using a 6.5mm high-speed steel drill bit and countersink to create a flush finish. Complete the window coupling using your preferred fixing method. The windows are now coupled together and ready for installation. To request your windows are supplied with Origin couplers, simply highlight the appropriate box on the order form. If you would like further advice on how to use Origin's window coupling system, or you have any technical questions, please feel free to contact our Technical Information Department. Thank you for watching.